Today's topic is carbocation and carbonium ions, chemical species carrying positive charge on a carbon which have only 6 electrons in its valence shell are called carbocation or carbonium ions. Simply we can say a carbon carrying a positive charge and having a 6 electron in its valence shell are called carbocations or carbonium ions. When a covalent bond in which carbon is linked to a more electronegative atom or group breaks up by heterolytic fission, the more electronegative atom takes away the electron pair while carbon loses its electron and thus acquire a positive charge. In this, we can say when a carbon is linked to a more electronegative atom, then the covalent bond breaks and the more electronegative atom takes away the electron pairs and carbon carries a positive charge. Now, characteristics of carbocation. Carbocations are short-lived, highly reactive chemical species. Simply, carbocations are short-lived and a highly reactive chemical species. Since the carbon atom carrying positive charge and is electron deficient and thus has a strong tendency to complete its octet by accepting a pair of electrons. As we know, carbon having a 6 electron in its valence shell and acquire a positive charge. So it is electron deficient. So it has a great tendency to accept a pair of electron to complete its octet. Generation of carbocations. Carbocations are produced by heterolytic cleavage of covalent bonds in which leaving group takes away both the bonding electrons of the covalent bond. As carbocations are produced by the heterolytic cleavage of covalent bonds in which leaving group, which is a more electronegative than carbon, takes away both the bonding electrons of the covalent bond. First is ionization of alkyl halide in polar solvents. We have the alkyl halide, ionization occur and we get the carbocation. For example, we have allyl chloride, ionization occur and we get the allyl carbocation plus Cl negative. Now second is by protonation of unsaturated compounds such as alkenes and nitriles. We will take the example of alkene, react with H positive, protonation occur. According to Mark addition rule, we will get the carbocation, and according to Mark addition rule, we can say H positive goes to that carbon which already have a higher number of hydrogen atoms. Now third is by protonation of alcohols followed by dehydration. As this is alcohol, this is H positive. Protonation occur, we get the ROH2 positive. Now dehydration occur. Dehydration means the removal of H2O and we get the carbocation and this is the H2O which is removed. Now classification of carbocations. Carbocations are classified as 1 degree, 2 degree or 3 degree according as the carbon carrying the positive charge 1 degree, 2 degree or 3 degree in nature as primary, secondary and tertiary in nature. In methyl carbocation, we can see CH3 carrying the positive charge on C. This is the ethyl carbocation which is 1 degree carbocation or primary carbocation. This is isopropyl carbocation which is 2 degree or secondary carbocation. This is the tertiary butyl carbocation which is 3 degree or tertiary carbocation. Now orbital structure of carbocation. The carbocations are planar chemical species. The carbon atom carrying positive charge is sp2 hybridized. As carbocation are planar chemical species and having a positive charge which is sp2 hybridized carbon. The 3 sp2 hybridized orbital of this carbon form 3 sigma bonds with 3 monovalent atoms or groups which lie in a plane and enclose to one another at an angle of 120 degree. The Three sp2 hybridized orbital of a carbon form the 3 sigma bonds with a monovalent atom or a group which lie in that plane and forming a bond at an angle of 120 degree. Unhybridized 2p orbital which is perpendicular to the plane of the 3 sigma bond is however empty, as we have forming the two unhybridized p orbitals in perpendicular to the plane of 3 sigma bonds which is empty. Now this is the structure of carbocation. We can see these 3 sigma bonds at an angle of 120 degree, and this is two unhybridized orbital. Now, stability of carbocations. Stability of carbocations can be explained on the basis of law of electrostatics, which state that any factor which tends to disperse the positive charge by distributing it over rest of the molecule must stabilize the carbocation, while any factor which tends to intensify the positive charge must destabilize the carbocation. Now, stability of carbocation can be explained on the basis of law of electrostatics, which tells us that any factor that tends to disperse the positive charge, which means that distributing the positive charge all over the molecule, that stabilize the carbocation. If any factor which tends to intensify the positive charge, which means that to intensify the positive charge only at carbon, that destabilize the carbocation. This is the electron donating group that attached to carbocation, which disperse the positive charge and stabilize the carbocation. This is electron withdrawing group attached to the carbocation, and it intensify the positive charge and destabilize the carbocation. Now we have stability of alkyl carbocation. The order of stability of simple alkyl carbocation. Thus, a 3 degree with 3 alkyl groups should be more stable than 2 degree with 2 alkyl groups, and 2 degree with 2 alkyl groups are more stable than 1 degree with 1 alkyl groups. As we all know, alkyl groups have electron donating inductive effect, that is plus I effect, and because of their plus I effect, it releases electron towards the positively charged carbon. And as we know, electron donating group tends to disperse the positive charge all over the molecule, hence increases the stability of carbocation. Now the 3 degree carbocation have 3 alkyl groups, and the 3 alkyl groups tends to disperse the positive charge more than the 2 degree carbocation and 1 degree carbocation. So 3 degree carbocation with 3 alkyl groups are more stable than 2 degree carbocation, which is 2 degree carbocation is more stable than the 1 degree carbocation. Hence this is the order of the stability. This is 3 degree carbocation, this is 2 degree carbocation, this is 1 degree carbocation, and this is the methyl carbocation. Now the second is hyperconjugation effect. Greater the number of alpha hydrogen, greater is the number of hyperconjugation structures, and hence more stable is the carbocation. So the order of stability of alkyl carbocation is 3 degree, 2 degree, and 1 degree, as 3 degree carbocations have 9 alpha hydrogen and 9 equivalent hyperconjugation structures. Now the 2 degree carbocation with 6 alpha H and 6 equivalent hyperconjugation structure, and this is the 1 degree carbocation. So the stability of order is 3 degree, 2 degree, and 1 degree. Now the third is steric effect. Carbocations are planar chemical species, but most of the compounds from which they are formed have tetrahedral structure. As we all know, carbocation have planar chemical species, but the compounds from which they are formed have tetrahedral geometry. Thus, in the formation of carbocations, bond angle between the groups increases about 109 degree 28 minutes to 120 degree. As we know the structure of carbocation, we can see that bond angle is 120 degree. That is increases from 109 degree 28 minutes to 120 degree. Now, in other words, groups move apart. This moving away of the groups relieves some of the steric chain present in the starting compound. As we know, when bond angle increases, as we know, groups moves apart and this releases the steric chain. So greater is the relief in the steric string, more easily a carbocation is formed. Since the extent of steric relief is expected to be maximum in the formation of 3 degree carbocation followed by 2 degree and there 1 degree carbocation and least in the case of methyl carbocation. Therefore, the order of stability is 3 degree, 2 degree, 1 degree and methyl. As greater is the relief in the steric chain, more stable is the carbocation. So, steric strain relief will be expected to be maximum in 3 degree carbocation, then in 2 degree carbocation and then in 1 degree carbocation. So, the order of stability is. Now the stability of unsaturated carbocations. Stability of allyl and benzyl carbocations. Allyl and benzyl cations are stable because of dispersal of positive charge through the resonance as. Now we explain the stability of allyl and benzyl cations through the resonance as allyl and benzyl cations are stable because of the dispersal of positive charge through the resonance. Now this is allyl carbocation, this bond shift here and this is the equivalent structure. This is the resonance stabilization of allyl carbocation. Now this is benzyl carbocation, this bond shift here, this acquire the positive charge, this bond shift here. Now this acquire the positive charge, this bond shift here and this acquire the positive charge. Now this bond is shift here and we will get the equivalent structure. This is the resonance stabilization of benzyl carbocation. From this, we can say larger is the number of phenyl groups attached to the C atom containing positive charge, then greater is the dispersal of positive charge and hence more stable will be the stability of carbocation. Now from this it only can say that larger is the number of phenyl groups attached to the carbon which is carrying a positive charge, then greater is the dispersal of a positive charge, that is greater is the distribution of a positive charge and greater will be the stability of carbocation. Effect of substituent on the stability of benzyl carbocations. Presence of electron donating groups such as R, OH, OR, NH2, NHR, NR2, etc. at O and P position tends to stabilize the substituted benzyl carbocation relative to benzyl carbocation by dispersal of positive charge due to plus R effect of substituent. Now in this it explain about the presence of electron donating group OH, OR, NH2 etc. at O and P position will increase the stability of carbocation by dispersal of positive charge by distributing the positive charge all over the molecule as compared to only benzyl carbocation. So the presence of electron donating group increase the stability of carbocation or benzyl carbocation due to presence of plus R effect of substituent. Presence of electron withdrawing group such as COR, COOH, CN, NO2 etc. at O and P position will destabilize the substituted benzyl carbocation relative to benzyl carbocation by intensifying the positive charge due to minus R effect of substituent. Now the presence of electron withdrawing group such as COR, COOH at O and P position will destabilize the substituted benzyl carbocation by intensifying the positive charge due to minus R effect of substituent. Substituted benzyl carbocation is less stable than the benzyl carbocation. Now this is the p-methoxybenzyl carbocation which is more stable than the benzyl carbocation because of the p-methoxy which is electron donating group. This will increase the stability of carbocation by dispersal of positive charge and due to their plus R effect. This is the benzyl carbocation. Now this is the p-nitrobenzyl carbocation, p-nitro, which is electron withdrawing group. This destabilizes the carbocation by intensifying the positive charge. Now this is the order of stability of benzyl carbocation. Now the relative stability of carbocations. The relative stability of carbocations can be easily measured through heterolytic bond dissociation energy. In this, we will determine the stability of carbocation by the heterolytic bond dissociation energy. If the value of heterolytic bond dissociation energy is lower, then greater will be the stability of carbocation. Now the heterolytic bond dissociation energy and the stability of carbocation will work inversely proportional to them. As if heterolytic bond dissociation energy is lower, then there is the greater is the stability of carbocation. Now this is the order of relative stability of carbocation. First is tertiary benzyl, isopropyl, allyl, N-propyl, carbocation ethyl, vinyl, methyl, and phenyl. Now the reactions involving carbocation. Elimination reaction to form alkene from alkyl halide and alcohol. Elimination reaction occurs to form alkene from the alkyl halide and alcohol. Now the SN1 reaction of alkyl halide and diazonium salt. Third one is molecular pinacol-pinacolone rearrangement. Fourth is electrophilic addition reaction of alkenes, alkynes, and alkadienes.